Hello everyone, today I have a short video for you and I will show you how to install a screen protector on your Sony a7 III. If you're interested in this screen protector, I will leave the links down in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. I personally pay for this $9.99. So let me show you what you get inside the box. We have 4 screen protectors. We have wet and dry wipes and some stickers. This is a dust absorber. Of course we have some kind of instructions, but I find those not so useful, and I will show you how to install it. Of course we're going to need our screen protector, dust remover, and our wipes. First, make sure your hands are clean. I recommend to remove your lens and place your camera on a not slippery surface. Personally, I will use this box. Put my camera inside. Yeah, it's steady enough. So let's go ahead and take this one out. Yeah, so tiny. Make sure the screen is very, very clean. Take the dry one. I think it's clean. Let me put this away. Now, we have those guide stickers. Take your screen protector, so we have here, this has to be removed before you apply your screen protector. So first of all, what you have to do, position your screen on your camera. You have to be very delicate, make some tiny moves. Take your stickers, go ahead and put it on one side, but be sure your screen is positioned. This is not so complicated. Now that we have the right position, take your dust absorber, no, first, sorry, I was almost to make a mistake, but first of all, you need your dust absorber, of course, and go ahead and peel this off. And now try to remove any dust on your screen. Repeat this process. And now all you have to do, just leave gently this. As you see, perfect. You don't need to push it. You don't need to do absolutely nothing. Now go ahead and remove the stickers carefully. 1. And 2. So now we have a perfect alignment. And let's go ahead and check if the touchscreen it's working. Because what is the point if you have a screen protector and the touchscreen is not working anymore? Give me just a moment. I need my lens. So let's have a look. As you see, let me show you. Maybe I need to I hope you can see now, but it's working as before. Absolutely no problem. So there you have it, guys. I hope this was helpful for you. As you saw, the process is very easy. It's very easy to install. Absolutely no problem. If you find my video useful, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And as I told before, if you're interested in this product, the link is down in the description below. Feel free to use it. Thank you, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.